You can buy a 472 horsepower Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing for 55 grand. You can make it handle like a $150,000 GT3 RS for 5 grand more. But only if you ignore every forum build thread telling you to start with coilovers. The math is brutal. KW-V3 coilovers cost $2,800. That's 56% of your entire budget gone before you buy a single wheel, tire, or brake pad. Meanwhile, Eibach Pro-Kit springs deliver 80% of the handling improvement for $350. They drop the car 1.2 inches front, 1.0 rear, and work perfectly with your stock magnetic ride control shocks. Your biggest transformation comes from wheels and tires. The factory runs 18x9 front, 18x9.5 rear. Square that up to 18x9.5 plus 45 offset all around. Enkei TS5s in Storm Gray weigh 21.8 pounds each and cost $280 per wheel. That's $1,120 for the set. Apex ARC8s cost $350 per wheel, but drop another half pound of unsprung weight. Tire choice determines whether you're building a show car or a weapon. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in 265/35R18 costs $280 per tire. Continental ExtremeContact Sport delivers 90% of the grip for $220 each. That $240 difference buys your entire brake upgrade. Threepiece.us can verify fitment before you order, especially if you're considering more aggressive offsets. Here's what kills most CT4-V builds. You lower the car, then your sway bar end links bind and snap. Moog K80936 upgraded links cost $45 per pair. Skip them, and you'll be stranded on the side of the road within 5,000 miles. Every lowered GM performance sedan needs these. No exceptions. Power modifications on this platform are a trap. The K&N 573540 cold air intake adds 8 to 12 horsepower for $300. That's $25 per horsepower. A proper ECU tune costs $800 and might add 20 more. You're now at $40 per horsepower. Meanwhile, dropping 60 pounds of unsprung weight with lighter wheels transforms acceleration feel for free. Track days expose stock brakes instantly. Hawk horsepower 5.0 pads handle now 200-degree temperatures without fade. Front set HB9B28 costs $140. Rears another $115. Model RBF 600 brake fluid has a 5 to 93-degree dry boiling point. 2 liters cost $60. That's $315 total to survive 20-minute track sessions without cooking your brakes. Stainless steel brake lines transform pedal feel more than any other $100 modification. Goodridge 12258 lines eliminate the spongy sensation when you threshold brake. Combined with proper fluid and pads, you'll outbrake cars with 6-piston Brembos running garbage pads and old fluid. Budget allocation determines success or failure. Here's the exact breakdown. Maintenance and fluids, $600. Springs and end links, $400. Wheels, $120. Tires, $880. Brake pads and fluid, $315. Brake lines, $100. Cold air intake, $300. That leaves $285 for alignment, which you absolutely need after lowering. Installation order matters. Springs first, then alignment check. Mount your new wheels and tires, then final alignment. Corner weighting costs $200 extra, but transforms how the car rotates. Install brakes last since you'll be doing multiple test drives, dialing in the suspension. Common mistakes destroy builds. eBay racing springs for $150 use mystery spring rates that bottom out constantly. Universal cold air intakes don't seal properly and lose power. Cheap brake pads claiming race compound fade after 2 hot laps. Every shortcut costs double when you replace it with quality parts later. Alternative paths exist if you adjust priorities. Skip the springs. Upgrade just sway bars for $450. Eibach front and rear bars eliminate body roll without changing ride height. Or refinish your stock wheels for $500 and put Thaudsert 500 into sticky tires. Both strategies work depending on your goals. Real-world results from this exact build. 0 to 60 stays basically identical, maybe 0.1 seconds faster. but lap times drop 2 to 4 seconds on a typical road course. Braking distance from 60 miles per hour improves by 10 to 15 feet. Body roll practically disappears. The car feels 500 pounds lighter through transitions. Daily driving remains completely civilized. Ride quality firms up maybe 15%. The Eibach progressive springs still soak up highway expansion joints. Exhaust drone stays minimal since we skipped the full catback. Your significant other won't complain about riding in it, which matters more than you think. This $5,000 build transforms your CT4-V Blackwing into a corner hunting weapon while keeping it daily drivable. You sacrifice almost nothing in comfort but gain massive capability. Next upgrade path is clear. Save $2,500 for proper coilovers. Add $1,200 for two-piece rotors. Then consider forced induction if you need more than 472 horsepower. Who should follow this build? Anyone who actually drives their performance sedan. Track day enthusiasts who need reliability. People who understand that handling beats horsepower on real roads. Skip this if you just want Instagram photos or straight-line pulls. This build rewards drivers, not bench racers. Start with the suspension. Order those Moog end links before you even think about lowering springs. Get your wheel and tire package sorted through threepiece.us if you want guaranteed fitment. Schedule your alignment shop in advance. Most importantly, drive the car hard after each modification. That's how you validate every dollar spent.